I'd say ang pinaka-love ko is si God talaga po. Siya kasi talaga po yung, of course, siya yung pinaka-center of my life and I always pray to Him na I'm really hoping na lahat din po tayo let's get closer to Him. And with all of these blessings, I'm so thankful. Of course, si Tita Rosabella po yung aking manager. She's been helping me since day one and she never lose hope po. Kasi like I said earlier, it's never gonna be an easy road po. Lalo na kapag you want to achieve something that you really, really like dream of having in your life. So so I would say God is my greatest love.
Wow.
Naiyak ako sa iyo, Alisa. Walo kidding mga kabarkada. Alam mo, Alisa, kasi fan na ako ni Alisa po ng Obrang Mga Kabarkada since nag-viral